Hello everyone. Are you wondering what paragender means? Let's explore. Paragender is a gender identity that is in proximity to another gender but is not fully that gender. For example, someone who is paragender might feel close to being male or female but also experience a distinction that keeps them from fully identifying with that gender. Paragender people may feel like they are mostly, but not entirely, one gender, or that their gender is closely aligned with a particular identity without completely matching it. This term acknowledges the complexity and nuance of gender, where a person's experience might be close to, but not exactly, a specific gender. In essence, being paragender is about identifying with a gender that is similar to, but not fully, another gender, reflecting the subtle variations in how gender can be experienced. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.